Yeah, today is basically the inaugural program of the whole offices complex of 41 Meghalaya Battalion NCC. This is not only one building or one office. The state government has been kind enough to allot some 3 acres of land along with 3 buildings. And for inauguration of that, the Honorable CM was kind enough to consent and just come and grace the occasion. We are so grateful to him. And this is a beginning of the chapter for the NCC, for upliftment of NCC and more active participation, make them more exposure to all over. And now since we have the training area here, we will just take them most of the activities of NCC will be taken care of. And I'm sure now from Garo Hills, the cadets will be representing and they will benefit in all aspects, be it NCC aspect or be it even employment avenues or be it a better citizen or an asset to the state government itself in case of any emergency. And they know, because they know, they are trained how to handle even disaster management to a great extent. Yes, that is the aim basically, that as CEO initial itself, we were pushing that at least some space mil jaye yahan pe, because 41 Meghalaya Battalion NCC is responsible to cover NCC for Garo Hills. So that is, people are not coming much because of the lack of awareness of the incentives and for the good part of joining NCC. So now, since the unit is here, my staff, my officers will be here, stationed here. So the level of interaction and spreading the awareness level will be much more. And more so, this office will be exclusively used for the access of the people, not only cadets, but for other students as well who want to join any defense forces or any job opportunities. Will guide them, will help them. And this office will become an advertisement and open hall for all aspects of guidance, not only in NCC.
Prangnam Ada Raju.
Salam no riba.
Tarode namin sulinga ma.
Namen sulinga ba?
Angna jani resun ko nat kubo.
Monat ken.
Ada. Era meta ko merong sa.
No. Yade plus F ni nisan tunggu pa. 45 merong sa.
45 tunggu pa merong. Di pa ada. 45 merong aro ramram man ko pa merong ra dengdang ma. Nara phangna ramram man ko pa merong khosa phala chimba.
No. Anching salgum ko je ko ba chaya. Anching ni anching baljo kani sa pangchaka. Dau wiya niran dake. Maya gemak chi anching ara. Thik somai kata maninga ma. Thik somai kata manjagen chim ode. Anemia. Mani de anchi bulgriani. Night blindness. Andaken walo nakna man gija pa sabi sirang na ba donga.
Ada ya gemakara 45 merong baksara mai baktong para.
Rani khangani donga no. Anchingni salan thiu cha anio pena banga namkani rangko jekai iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A aru D mannagta amja. Jeni gamanan dakba sabisi ungna ba donga. Sorkari ansing baljokani ko rai makrakata. Tao FSSAI on ani kita merong atta khari dud aro mungsongpa thorango. Beena namgunirangko daude chimunge paskageno. Jechin naa salgamako platchiba 15% beena singbaljokanirko mananggen. Yakho nagana 45 ko chaimung masibo. Yakho ansing altua en plus F ni nisan ko nakemuna masyayen.
Andi ba ada plus 8 tongga ba reson chingara bauni ko mangen.
No yano. Unigamanan sorkario reson scheme rango jekai ICDS, MDM, PDS magsungani de yarango pangchakani jechin mungsa centrally sponsored rice scheme ni mananigta fortified rice bisa okodongba magaparang ba chini bena namgani rangni gaman resoni dokano manani ranggata nasmang gemek nan sokatangiya taloni nasmakna aro anching sakan tini noktang rangna mangmang fortified merong
Khatade nangnin khake donga ada.
Yakho Uwyatengpa, Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.